So in previous lecture, we have studied about the integrated rate law equation for first order reaction. We have also seen the graphical representation of it, half-life period in the first order reaction. Okay. और एक पॉइंट है आपको दोस्तों, integrated rate law for first order reaction when the reaction taking place in the gas phase. When the gas phase reactants are there and products are also in gas phase. Okay. So you'll see now integrated, write down the point, integrated rate law for gas phase reaction, first order reaction, and we will see integrated rate law for that. Integrated rate law, integrated rate law for gas phase reaction, gas phase reaction. Consider that it is a gas phase reaction, means the reactants and products both are in gas phase. Okay, note down this heading, integrated rate law for gas phase reaction. Now take the reaction. Take the reaction, general reaction for the gas phase reaction, write down. For the gas phase reaction, A, which is in gaseous phase, is giving B and C product. Note down this reaction. Now let the initial pressure of this A, reactant A, अब गैस है तो उसका हम concentration नहीं लेते, उसका हम pressure लेते हैं, ठीक है? Because the reaction is taking place in the gas phase, so we will consider now pressure of reactant or product. Okay, because reactant and product both are in gas phase. Okay, so consider, write down, let the initial pressure of A, let the initial pressure of A is Pi, initial pressure. Okay, and that is decreased by X, and that is decreased by X amount X within time T, within time T. Okay, आपको पता है as reaction proceeds the concentration of reactant decrease, we know that is the rate of reaction. तो यहाँ पे concentration ना लेते हुए हम क्या लेते हैं, pressure. So the pressure, initial pressure of A is Pi, okay, and that is decreased by amount X within time T. Okay, note down these points. So we can write here pressure of reactant A, pressure of reactant A, pressure of reactant A at time T, at time T क्या होगा देखो, at time T pressure of A at time T is equal to initial pressure जो था उससे कम है आप Pi minus X, ठीक है? तो this is equation first, write down. This is the equation first. Okay, so pressure कुछ कम हुआ है A reactant का after time T. At time T, at time T, after a certain time T, the pressure of reactant A is decreased. Okay, let the initial pressure of A is Pi, and that is decreasing. We have taken Pi minus X. Okay, so Pi is the initial pressure. तो at time T वो initial pressure से कम होगा pressure of A. Pressure of A will be less at time T. Okay, because the reaction is proceeding. Now we'll see the pressure of B and pressure of C at time T. Write down. At time T, at time T, pressure of B and C are PB is equal to PC is equal to X. This is the second equation. Write down. ओके, तो एट टाइम टी प्रेशर जो है प्रोडक्ट का, प्रोडक्ट्स है बी एंड सी, कंसीडर दैट द प्रेशर इज एक्स ऑफ बी एंड सी, एंड नाउ द प्रेशर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज जनरेटेड इन द रिएक्शन बिकॉज कंटिन्यूसली रिएक्टेंट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोडक्ट. तो रिएक्टेंट का प्रेशर कम होगा और as soon as the products are formed their pressure will increase. Okay, and that pressure we have taken as a x. Okay, और initial pressure जो था A का वो था PI. After some time that is reduced by x amount, so PI minus x is the pressure of A at time t, and at time t the pressure of product B and C are x. Okay, so total pressure is what? Addition of PA plus PB plus PC. Write down. The total pressure at time t is the total pressure at time t, the total pressure at time t is total pressure at time t is equal to P is equal to PA plus PB plus PC. So PI minus x plus x plus x minus x plus x will get cancelled. So PI minus x is the total pressure. At time t, the total pressure is PI minus x. So what is x? Now at time t, therefore x is equal to P minus PI. Take this as a third equation. Okay, note down these equations. Okay, अब ये x का आपने अमाउंट देखा P minus PI. If I put the value of x in this first equation, I will get the pressure of A at time t, because now we know the value of x. Okay, so we can calculate the value of A, PA at time t. Write down pressure of A. Therefore, putting the value of x, putting the value of x in equation 1, we get pressure of A, reactant A at time t. Okay, so note down this. So PA is equal to PI minus x. You can put the value of x in the first equation and you will get the pressure of A at time t. Now what is the pressure? Now see here, PA is equal to therefore PA is equal to PI minus P minus PI. Okay, PI minus P minus PI. So minus, it becomes PI minus P plus PI. So is equal to 2 PI minus P. That is the pressure of A. Therefore, PA is equal to 2 PI minus P. That is fourth equation. Okay, now we can deduce the integrated rate law equation. What is the initial pressure? जैसा हम इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेते हैं A0, वैसे इनिशियल प्रेशर यहाँ पे A का क्या था? PI. At time t, what is the pressure of A? 2 PI minus P. So we can put these values in integrated rate law for first order reaction, and we can deduce the equation for integrated rate law equation for first order reaction in gas phase. Okay, so write down. Now the integrated rate law turns out to be the integrated rate law turns out to be, देखो इंटीग्रेटेड रेट लॉ हमारा क्या है, K इज इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन T log 10 A naught upon AT. It is initial concentration and it is final concentration. So you can write, therefore the concentrations now expressed in terms of pressure, प्रेशर के फॉर्म में हम कंसंट्रेशन नाउ एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. thus therefore A naught is Pi and AT is equal to 2Pi minus P. So the equation becomes, what will be the equation? Now only you have to put the values of initial pressure and pressure of reactant A at time T. ठीक है, तो इक्वेशन क्या होगा, देखो वेरी सिंपल. A नॉट इज इक्वल टू आपको रखना है Pi और AT इज इक्वल टू रखना है 2Pi minus P. So what will be the equation? Therefore K is equal to 2.303 upon T log 10. Initial pressure is of A Pi and final pressure 2Pi minus P. So this will be the equation. Note down. This is what fifth equation. Okay, note down this equation. Okay, so this is what integrated rate law of first order reaction if the reaction is going in gas phase. Okay, hope you understood this point. This is what initial pressure and this is pressure of reactant A at time T. Pressure of reactant A initially Pi and the pressure of reactant A at time T 2Pi minus P. Okay, so this is what the expression of integrated rate law for gas phase reaction. Okay, have you understood this point? Okay, note down this equation. We will see some examples of first order reaction. Examples of first order reaction. कौन कौन सी रिएक्शंस है जिनको हम फर्स्ट ऑर्डर कह सकते हैं? देखो, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के कुछ एग्जांपल्स हम देखेंगे. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन? डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ N2O5, दे आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ व्हाट? फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. ओके, सो टेक डाउन द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. टेक द examples of first order reaction. First example, write down 2H2O2 liquid, it gives 2H2O liquid plus O2 gas. This is what first example. Rate is equal to K concentration of H2O2. Because it is in liquid state, we are taking concentration. Now suppose the gas phase reaction 2N2O5 gaseous gives, write down 4NO2 gaseous, 4NO2 gaseous plus O2 gaseous. Okay, now here also this is first order reaction. Here rate is equal to K concentration of N2O5. आप concentration के फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं इसको. Though the reaction is in gas phase, we can take pressure and you can take the concentration also. Okay, तो concentration में भी आप convert कर सकते हो. So if you see the rate law tell us that these reactions are the first order reaction because rate is directly proportional to concentration of reactant to power 1. So these two are the examples of first order reaction. Okay, now we will move to the next point in the chemical kinetics, and that is zero order reaction. Okay,